Feeling like you're drowning in personal finance advice? One guru tells you to track every penny in a spreadsheet that looks like a rocket ship's control panel. The next tells you to YOLO your life savings into crypto. It's all so overwhelming. You just want to give up and order a pizza. Forget all of that. Let's cut through the noise. I'm going to give you 3 simple rules. Just 3. And they actually work. No confusing spreadsheets, no baffling jargon. Just 3 direct steps you can take today to start saving money and finally feel in control, even if you're starting from zero. This isn't just a list of tips. These are the foundational habits that separate financial stress from financial peace of mind. Let's get to it. Rule number 1, the anti-budget. All right, rule number 1 is the most important, and it completely flips traditional advice on its head. We're calling it the anti-budget, and the rule is this: pay yourself first. What does that even mean? It's simple. Most people get their paycheck, pay their bills, buy groceries, have a little fun, and then, if there's anything left over, they try to save it. The problem? There's almost never anything left. That approach makes saving an afterthought. But when you pay yourself first, saving becomes a non-negotiable priority. Think of it as a bill you owe to your future self, and you pay that bill before anyone else gets a dime. Your savings aren't just leftovers. They're the most important expense you have because they buy you future freedom, your safety net, and your biggest goals. When you get paid, before you pay rent, before the car payment, before you even think about ordering takeout, you move a set amount of money to a separate savings account. This is why we call it the anti-budget. You're not obsessing over...
Hey, if you're already feeling a little more in control and this is making sense, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about making finance simple and actionable here, and I'd love to have you on board. Section 3, rule number 3, tackle high-interest debt. We've automated our savings. We found and plugged a money leak. Now it's time for the final piece of the puzzle. Rule number 3 is aggressively tackle high-interest debt. Nothing will destroy your ability to build wealth faster than high-interest debt. We're talking about credit card balances, payday loans, or any debt with an interest rate over 8 to 10%. While your savings account might earn you a few percent, your credit card could be charging you 20% or even more. It's like trying to sprint up a down escalator. You're putting in the work, but you're getting pulled down even faster. Paying off this kind of debt isn't just a good idea. It provides one of the best returns on your money you can get. So what's the game plan? There are 2 popular methods, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Don't overthink it. Just pick the one that sounds more motivating to you. The debt snowball method is all about building momentum. You list all your debts from the smallest balance to the largest, ignoring interest rates. You make minimum payments on everything, but you throw every extra dollar you can find at that smallest debt. Once it's gone, you take all the money you were paying on it and roll it over to the next smallest debt. It's called a snowball because your payment grows as you knock out each debt, getting bigger and faster. The psychological win of paying off a loan completely is incredibly motivating. The debt avalanche method is the most efficient from a pure math perspective. With this, you list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest, no matter the balance. You make minimum payments on everything, but focus all your...
So, let's bring it all together. The 3 simple rules. 1. Pay yourself first by automating your savings. 2. Find your money leaks with a 7-day diary and plug one. 3. Attack your high-interest debt with the snowball or avalanche method. That's it. Notice what we didn't talk about? We didn't get into complex stock market analysis or real estate or crypto. That stuff can come way later, if you're even interested. But it's not the foundation. The foundation is this: spending less than you earn, using the difference to build your savings, and getting rid of the dead weight of high-interest debt. Mastering these 3 habits is so much more powerful than trying to follow a dozen complicated tips. This is how you build a rock-solid financial base. This is how you finally quiet the stress and chaos that money problems cause.
You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Pick one of these rules, just one, and take that first small action step today. Set up that automatic transfer. Track your spending for just one day. Make one extra debt payment. You're in control, and your journey to financial confidence starts not with some giant leap, but with a single, simple step. You've got this. Thanks for watching.